Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Teams in a BoldDesk instance. I will also show you how to install the BoldDesk bot in Microsoft Teams and how to configure Teams chat and channel notifications in the BoldDesk instance. Finally, you will see how to manage the Teams channel notifications in the BoldDesk site. Microsoft Teams is a messaging app that provides a workspace for real-time collaboration and communication, meetings, and file and app sharing for an organization. Integrating Microsoft Teams into BoldDesk allows you to receive instant notifications within chats and channels for a ticket based on ticket events and specific conditions. The following are supported events for Microsoft Teams notifications: ticket creation, ticket property update, adding reply, adding a public note and private note in a ticket, adding satisfaction feedback, and delete ticket permanently. First, let's see how to install Microsoft Teams in BoldDesk. Sign in to your BoldDesk account as an administrator. Then, navigate to the admin module and click Marketplace to open the Marketplace page. Search for and select Microsoft Teams and then click Install. The Microsoft login page will load for you to enter your credentials. Enter your Microsoft Administrator username and password and click Sign In. After successful login, the page will be redirected to the BoldDesk Microsoft Teams app page. Next, let's see how to install the BoldDesk bot in Microsoft Teams. Open the Microsoft Teams app, click the Apps option, and search for BoldDesk. You can add the app for notification to a team or to an agent by selecting Add to a Team or Add for Me options. Then, select the team and channel to install the BoldDesk bot and click Set up a bot. You will receive welcome and sign-up cards after installing the BoldDesk bot in a specific team and channel. Next, enter your BoldDesk domain to connect and click Submit. On the Login Request page, click Login to authenticate the BoldDesk site. Enter the BoldDesk credentials and click Sign In. After successful login to the BoldDesk site, click Configure to configure the channel notification. Now, let's see how to configure the Teams channel notifications in the BoldDesk site. Open the Admin menu and open the My Apps section. Here, choose and open Microsoft Teams and click Edit to open the Microsoft Teams page. Then, click Add New Notification to open the notification configuration page. Enter the Teams notifications name and select Notify Assignee to enable notification to be sent to an agent through chat. Click Next to open the Conditions section and select events and conditions for which notifications will be sent. Then, click Save to save the configuration. You can also configure Teams channel notifications on the Notification Configuration page. Here, select Notify Channel and then specify the team and channel to which the notifications will be sent. Click Next to open the Conditions section. Select the events and condition for which notifications will be sent. Finally, click Save to save the configuration. Once the configuration is completed, real-time notifications will be sent to the agent and on the specified Teams channel whenever a specified event that meets the set conditions occurs in BoldDesk. For example, when a ticket with the category IT is created in BoldDesk, a notification will be sent to IT Teams channel with the ticket details. Similarly, when the ticket is updated by an agent, an update notification will be sent to the same channel. With two-way syncing, you can also add replies, add notes, and update ticket properties directly from Microsoft Teams. Finally, let's see how to manage the Teams channel notifications in the BoldDesk site. Open the My App menu in the Admin module. Select and open Microsoft Teams. Click Edit. Here, you will see the list of existing notifications. By clicking the More option next to a notification, you can edit, deactivate, and delete the notification. You can also activate a notification when it's deactivated. And that's it. In this video, I explained how to install Microsoft Teams in BoldDesk. I also explained how to install the BoldDesk bot in Microsoft Teams and how to configure the chat and Teams channel notifications in the BoldDesk site. Finally, I covered how to manage the Teams channel notifications in the BoldDesk site. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.